Maybe? Yes. Really fast.
Hello guys, it's a Monday, so we're going to get the mark that Nico and Carlos placed the other day during the wedding day. So this is the mark that Nico placed here in the Asikala Road. There were 3 of them, one in here and the one in front of the Hamenkoski and the one from our side. So we put this sign here in Finland, especially in the countryside, to let people know
Moi.
that somebody got married.
Kiitos.
Kiitos!
Kerätään nämä talteen. Antaa seuraavalle.
Yeah, so yan guys, nilalagay yan siya to inform the community that someone got married. So after ng wedding guys, kinukuha yan siya. And actually, I can sell that one again sa tawag ito, sa mga wedding groups. Kasi nare-recycle din yan. So pwede lang nila palitan yun ng initials. So there were 3 of it. Yung 2 kukunin pa namin. So yung isang mark guys is dito nilagay ni Nico sa gilid ng bus stop. Ayun doon. So yun kukunin namin. Kasi tapos naman na ang kasal. Ayun yung isang mark guys. Yan na yung mga decoration na last na kukunin dito. Bakit naglalagay ng Q-tip or yung sign na yan guys? It's because hindi naman kasi nag-i-inform dito sa Finland through newspaper na merong kasal. So this is one way of informing the community na merong kinasal sa lugar na to. So Nico got the second sign and we have another one. Malapit din sa bahay namin. The last sign was placed in here guys. Andoon. Kasi ito yung mga main entrances papunta dito sa city. Is this a city? This is just a town.
Not village.
Not village, but town. But yeah, that's the last sign. So Nico's going to take it and so we're finally home guys. Nag-unbox lang ako ng mga, or nag-ayos lang man ng mga gamit. Ibang gamit kasi hindi talaga kayang ayusin lahat at isang bagsakan sa pag napagod kami. So, ito yung ibang mga pasalubong na dala ng kapatid ko kasi galing siya ng Philippines tapos from Denmark. So may mga pasalubong kami, yung iba nalagay na namin doon. So ito na yung mga titikman namin. Ito is Danish cookies. Palagi niya kaming dinadalahan nito kapag galing siya ng Denmark. Kasi isa ito sa mga popular na pasalubong galing sa Denmark. Tapos of course yung salmiakki kay Nico, 2 ganito yun. Tapos yung ibang mga skyflakes din galing sa Philippines. Haribo na candies galing sa Denmark, and I don't know ano itong pinadinala ng kapatid ko. Bilog siya guys. Tapos meron din mga sinigang mix, yung dried na dahon bulaklak ng saging for adobo, ganyan. So hindi ko na ipapakita lahat of course. Magkakape lang kami ni Nico. Relax lang kasi medyo masama din talaga yung pakiramdam ko guys. As in pagod na pagod kami. But it's okay, dahan-dahan guys, ayusin din namin yung mga gamit. Sobrang puno pa ng trailer. Sabi ko kay Nico na hindi isang bagsakan namin na aayusin kasi napakarami talaga. And Nico is also very tired. Are you tired?
Yeah, my back.
Yeah. Buong umaga guys, natulog lang ako. Tapos, nagpahinga. Wala ako masyadong boses kasi kulang sa pahinga. Kulang sa tulog. Tapos parang meron akong flu kasi nga sa weather din ngayon dito. Actually, today pala nag-start na maglagay si Nico ng firewood doon sa fireplace namin, guys. Kasi malamig na yung floor. Malamig na sa loob ng bahay. Kaya, hello, autumn na talaga. Ito na talaga. This is it. Autumn is here. And, yung mga videos ko pala, guys, na about mushroom hunting. And yung mga videos about yung previous videos, guys, is ipopost naman yun later. Uunahin namin i-post itong wedding videos namin or yung mga preparation during wedding para masunod-sunod siya. So, magtataka kayo bakit old yung mga videos, ganun. Kasi uunahin na lang daw namin ni Nico i-post yung mga videos during wedding and wedding preparation para ma-update kayo. But anyways, yung mga mushrooms, guys, later ko ipopost. Kung mixed up man yung videos natin, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Kasi yung mga videos na pinick up ko yung mga mushrooms na ginamit namin for the wedding, yung mga souvenirs namin. Actually, wala akong nauwing maski isa nun. Kasi pinamigay ko talaga lahat sa friends ko and sa mga bisita namin. And, ayun, yung mga mushrooms na yun, yung videos na yun, guys, paano ko siya na-pick. And, ilang baskets yung lahat, sobrang dami. So, late na namin yung ma-post. Pero dun na lang yun sa mga mushroom videos namin ipopost, guys. I hope you understand. And, sobrang busy talaga, nakakapagod. Because we did it DIY ourselves. But, thank goodness, because there were a lot of people who came and helped, especially Elisa, Carlos, sila Raquel, sila Almera, sila Vanji, yung family ni tawag nito Luis, tapos yung family ni Almera din, tapos si Katrina. Lahat sila, guys, yung mga friends ko sa Pinay Moms ko na group dito sa Finland. They were really there. Kahit pa naman noon nung my life was kind of like scattered and all, andyan talaga sila, na we were so blessed na until now, andyan pa rin. And so ngayon, guys, magpapahinga na lang muna kami. Short video lang ito i-upload namin kasi nga pagoda ang lola nyo, guys. Pagoda. So we will be unboxing our gifts and read all the cards later, once we will be able to settle all the things inside the house, because we cannot leave the stuff outside because the weather is changing. And Nico is very tired.
It was
Yeah.
like a 1 week flu.
Yeah, one
Like
week
it
flu.
started getting better.
We didn't
No.
even have like time to have a shower and everything. No time to change clothes. We're just using the same kind of shirt. But it's okay. Kasi nga, magulo pa eh. But it's okay, guys. We have one flower here na bigay sa akin ng dati kong workmate. So, Nico is now opening the biscuit from Denmark. Yan lagi yung dinadala ng kapatid ko. It's a Danish butter cookies. And it's very yummy, guys. It's best pair with coffee. Tapos, meron tayo ditong bulaklak, guys. Ito, galing ito sa previous workmate ko. Nilagay ko siya dito sa flower vase na binigay din to sa akin as a gift while I was working in Vanta doon sa Payat kami, doon sa Katrina Sairala. So, ito yung wedding gift nila sa amin. And it's very typical here sa abroad, guys, na dadalhan ka talaga ng cards, flowers, or anything. And it's always appreciated talaga. And it's so beautiful, diba? You know, sobrang ganda. So, we have something on our table right now, which is very good. Sobrang gulo din talaga ng bahay. But yeah, magko-coffee lang kami, guys. Tapos, magpapahinga buong araw. And, wala. Chill-chill lang talaga tayo this time. Are you tired, Daddy?
My back, I think I am being like a construction building or something. Carry so
Construction
much
building?
Back and forth carry stuff.
Wow. So, ito na yung Danish cookies, guys. Ayan. Sobrang sarap ng Danish butter cookies. It's very good with coffee. It's yummy, right? We don't have this kind of cookies in Finland. This is very special in Denmark. And usually, you can buy this one sa airport lang. Kasi pang pasalubong talaga siya. And April asked me what kind of candies you like. I said dito like salmiakki. And Anika likes this jelly candies. Tapos meron kami dito mga skyflakes na nanggaling sa Philippines. Tapos yung mga ibang pasalubong ng kapatid ko guys na nanggaling sa Pilipinas, nilagay ko na sa cabinet. Magamit namin yun later pag gumawa kami ng adobo or sinigang, ganyan. Pero ito, hindi ko alam ano ito guys. Titingnan ko muna kung ano ito. Ay, alam talaga ng kapatid ko guys ano yung mga gusto ko. It's a Christmas decor guys. Ayan o. It's from Dubai. I think yung flight niya galing ng Philippines is stopover siya ng Dubai. Binilhan niya ako guys. Yan. Favorite ko talaga yung mga Christmas decors and that's what I collect. Compare doon sa mga ref magnets. Kasi ito, mariremember ko siya guys pagdating ng Pasko. And we can decorate it on our Christmas tree. We should have our own Christmas tree this year, Daddy. Yeah, it's very beautiful. She got it in Dubai.
Oh, because I think that there's a camel that way.
Nee.
That maybe it would be in Denmark.
Look, Anika. What is this?
Have your sister visited in Dubai?
No, I think when she was flying back to Denmark, she passed by Dubai. Her stopover was Dubai.
Oh.
So she got it there. It's so beautiful. Is it beautiful, Anika? Ang ganda, 'di ba? I really love yung mga Christmas decors, guys, kasi pagdating ng Pasko, malala ko sino yung nagbigay sa akin noon, yung mga bansa na napuntahan namin, ganyan. We don't travel a lot because we don't have a lot of money, but for those guys na nakakauwi, ganyan, so at least, 'di ba, I can remember that, yeah, somebody gave this to me and she visited to that place. Kahit hindi ako nakapunta o doon, I feel like nakapunta na rin ako dahil sa mga pasalubong nila. And it's so beautiful. So we're going to keep this one kasama ng mga ibang Christmas decors namin. Napakaganda. Yeah. Yung bulaklak namin sa table, guys, maganda. Yan, di ba? Pero yung asawa ko rin, gwapo, di ba? Daddy, do you know what is komea in Filipino? So, ang guapo.
Guapo.
And beautiful is guapa.
Guapo. Oh, so there is like a she and he.
Guapo and guapa.
Oh. And yung Filipino, yung Filipino.
Yo. Filipina is for a nainen. And Filipino is for a man. But we can use both Filipino for everybody. Oh, you're a Filipino? You can use it for a female or a male. It's both. Okay. Yan. Napakasarap ng aming butter cookies. Ito yung kape ko, guys. Itim na kape tayo ngayon.
It's a Moomin.
Yeah, it's a Moomin. Itong coffee mug namin is si Moomin, guys.
Snowstorm.
Nasa snowstorm si Moomin, guys. Yan. Ito naman is Itala ito na cups. This is very popular in Finland, yung Moomin characters. Yan. So, chill lang kami, guys, kasi pagoda. And we will be continuing our vlog in the coming days. Once we are able to settle everything, all the stuffs, we put them inside. So, ito yung candies, guys, for Anika. Do you like candies? I think it's been a long time that she hasn't tasted it. Or hasn't eaten candies. Put there everything on the bowl. Claro, pasti. Careful. Very good. Can Daddy eat it?
Later.
Later. Daddy already taking. What's the flavor of it?
It's cherries.
Cherries?
It's a sour egg.
Is it? Is it yummy?
Sweet or sour?
Is it sweet or sour?
Sour.
Sour. Gusto kasi ni Anika yung mga sour candies, guys. Sini ko naman ang gusto niyan is yung mga lakritsi, mga salmiakki, yung mga itim na candies. Ako happy na ako dito. Yan, diba? Everybody got something. Kakape lang kami, guys. Chill lang tayo. Anyways, guys, this is just a short video about today. Just a short update on what's going on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Hey, hey.
Okay.